Lady Pancake and Sir French Toast. Attack of the Scones by Josh Funk, illustrated by Brendan Kearney. Deep in the depths of the frigid frontier, way beyond Marshmallow Coast and Pie Pier, past Veggie Valley and Dumpling Saloon, Sir French Toast painted by Chili Lagoon.
Oh, the tranquility of Chile.
Sensing a presence, he looked in the air and couldn't believe what was hovering there.
Sacre blueberry! What was that?
An aerial pastry that floated up high, shone down a light in the picturesque sky. It brushed the lagoon and emitted a flash. Toppling toast with a great chili splash.
My
Weeping
crust!
his eyes, he collected himself and ran to get help from his friend up the shelf.
Lady Pancake!
At home, Lady Pancake was ready to go to Waffle's big party at Chocolate Chateau. Today was his birthday. She couldn't be late, but Toast burst inside in a terrible state.
The chili, the scone, the flesh!
What in the world? She asked. Toast, you're a mess.
Oh my!
Help me, I saw something you will never guess. A chili lagoon, come with me, he replied.
Quickly!
As best friends will do, Lady Pancake complied.
All right, one peek at the lagoon, then straight to the soiree.
When they arrived, there was nothing but space. The sky remained clear, not a thing out of place. I promise, I saw it, Toast tried to assert. A strange, unidentified flying dessert.
It was huge and flaky!
Really, said Pancake. I want to believe, but everything's normal and we've got to leave.
We mustn't be late. It's a top shelf event.
Pancake hot-footed to Waffle's soiree. Toast made her late with his irksome delay. Sometimes, thought Pancake, Toast sure is the best. Sometimes, thought Toast, Pancake isn't the best. Toast wandered over to Orange Juice Fountain, when boom! Something blasted Potato Mash Mountain.
Good gravy! They have returned!
Once again, Toast ran as fast as he could to Chocolate Chateau where a dozen friends stood. Wait, don't go in, he said. Quick, follow me. There's something important that
Lady
you've got
Fountain!
to see.
The gravy! Blast! Oh, potatoes!
Fleeing, the guests ran from Waffle's big bash and followed French Toast to the
Friends,
mountain of
come back!
mash.
We haven't even started the waffle waltz.
Just like before, there was nothing to share. Toast said, I saw you have these in the air. Pancake said, Toast, there are no desserts flying. Toast said, believe me, I swear I'm not lying. What if they're
We
evil
will be
and plan
mashed
to
like a
attack?
potato!
Attack? Pancake scoffed. Sir, it's time to get back. Baron von Waffles, been waiting so long. Forget about Waffle, yelled
In
Toast.
fact,
I'm not
right.
wrong. Never before have they clashed with such vigor. You've this? Waffle! Their quarrel grew bigger. At last, Pancake yelled, "There are no UFDs!" When boom, bam, kapow, they were knocked to their knees.
What was that?
I fear I know the answer.
Off in the distance, a flash kept on flickering. Instantly, Pancake and Toast stopped their bickering. Baron One Waffle soared up out of sight into Scone through a
They
cloud
must love
of
my
light.
waltzing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Pancake thought, "No, Toast was right. This is awful." Toast thought, "I knew it. And
I
now
was
they
too
have
late.
Waffle."
Sacre bleuberry.
Toast could see Pancake was full of regret. Pancake could tell Toast was also upset. Both said, "I'm sorry." Their argument ended. The duo's best friendship had
Sorry,
mostly
Toast.
been mended.
Friends?
Always.
Pancake said, "Toast, all along you were right. There is an invasion, and we've got to fight. Listen up, everyone. Prep for a battle. Go spread the word." She
Spread it
continued to
like
prattle.
butter.
The whole fridge community brandishing armor, from veggie performer to tater tot farmer, readied to battle the mystery foe, when out of the light came a shimmering glow. Scores of utensils and silver appeared, alien monsters that everyone feared. From Corn Chowder Lake up to Mount Everbean, none of these creatures had ever been seen. All the while, Toast wondered, what do they want? Why up that waffle? Not brie or croissant? Then Toast remembered his painting that day.
Oh, the tranquility of Chile.
4 metal prongs in a chilly display. "Stop! Don't attack," he said. "Everyone sees. I think that they're friendly. They've come
What?
here in peace."
But I already sharpened my toothpick.
He tiptoed to one of the creatures alone and asked, "Are you searching for one
fork,
of your
perhaps?"
own?" Nodding, the fork answered, "How did you know? Our daughter's last voyage was eons ago. She never returned from her final bold mission." Toast contemplated. "I've
Look
got a
at my
suspicion."
painting.
That's her. Lead the way, my toasty friend.
He led them to Chili Lagoon on a scone, where one small utensil remained trapped alone. At long last, the four clan had been reunited. Friendships between foods and flatware ignited. "Excuse me," said Pancake. "Some questions remain. For instance, where's Baron One Waffle? Explain." Ashamed, Captain Fork began. "That I can settle. Like us, Waffle's eyepiece is crafted
We
from
had
metal.
flawed information.
We thought it was cutlery," Mr. Spork stated. "We're ever so sorry
Insufficient
we
facts are
miscalculated."
bad.
Don't let it happen again.
Appearing from out of thin air, Waffle beamed. "Scone ships and light shows is
And
more than
oh,
I
can a
dreamed."
waffle ever dream?
Ladles and spatulas, chopsticks, a knife. The best birthday ever! Best day of my
Thank
life!
you, my pastry compatriots.
Pancake and Toast raised an eyebrow or two. Yup, Pancake winked. We did all this for you.
We're so glad you enjoyed it, Baron.
It may not have gone quite according to plan, but Baron von Waffle's big party began. Pancake and Toast had a terrible feud, but still came together to save the fridge food.
With plenty of time left to
The
boogie.
silverware left with one more in their crew and bid them farewell. May the fork be with you.
Farewell.
Au revoir.
Hi friends! If you like this video, please like it down below and don't forget to subscribe.